In today's video, we will be going over how to install CaseGuard Studio on your machine. In your email inbox, you will have received an email from CaseGuard with the website to go to and another from our support team with your login credentials. Click the link to the website and enter your login credentials. At the top of the page will be the latest version of the software available for download. Currently, that version is 9.0.1. If you are downloading the software onto a thumb drive to install on an air-gapped system, you can download the offline version of the software here. Otherwise, select the first blue button. The download will show at the bottom of your browser. Click to open it when it is finished. This will open the installation window. Click Next. If there are multiple profiles on your machine of people who will be using CaseGuard Studio, select the Everybody option. If you do not have administrator access to the computer, you may need to get in contact with your IT department to proceed. If you are the only profile on the computer using the software, select the Only for Me option. When you're ready, hit Next. Most users can select the Express installation option, but I want to review the custom installation first. If your machine uses an AMD Graphics card, check the box beside AMD Graphics Card Compatibility to ensure that the AI automatic detection feature works as intended. Additionally, if you are working with documents written in various languages, you can check the box beside Install 10 additional OCR languages. If you apply any of these additional options under the custom installation, hit Modify. If you do not need to install any additional features through custom installation, you can select Express Installation. From here, you can customize the setup path for the program and accept the license terms and conditions. Once you have accepted the terms and conditions, hit Install. The installation will take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, you will have the option to open the application by clicking Run Studio. CaseGuard Studio will open and you will be prompted to add your login credentials. If you are using the offline version of the application, click the down arrow beside the words Offline Key. Here is where you will enter the software key that you have been provided with. When you are ready, hit Login. If you would like to learn more about the Get Started window and how to set up a project, we have a separate video covering it that you can watch on our YouTube channel. Under Help at the top of your workspace, you will find several options to choose from. Choosing Training Course will redirect you to our YouTube channel where there are videos covering each part of the software. Selecting Documentation will take you to the Help Center on our website where there are written instructions on how to use each feature. If you have any questions, comments, or feature requests, feel free to use the Contact Us option. Near the end of the list, you can select the Check for Updates option to check if your CaseGuard Studio is up to date. If you are unsure what version of the software you have downloaded, click the About CaseGuard Studio option and it will tell you. To locate CaseGuard Studio's program location on your machine, go to the search bar on your computer and type Add or Remove Programs. Then search for CaseGuard Studio. Select the three dots next to the program size, choose Modify, and now you will have three options: Modify, Repair, and Remove. If CaseGuard Studio is not working properly, a good first step is to try using the Repair function. If the AI automatic detection feature isn't working or you would like to download the 10 additional OCR languages that were available in the custom installation, select Modify. To uninstall CaseGuard Studio, select Remove. Uninstallation only takes a few moments. In our next video, we will go over the available settings in CaseGuard Studio. Until then, happy redacting!